Hi guys, welcome to Pick on a Dime with Sha. This is your girl Sha. Welcome to spending a random weekend with me as we do random weekend things. And what would a weekend be without deep cleaning? So let's start by cleaning up this bathroom, and yeah, we will move from there. Again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching Pick on a Dime with Sha. Thank you for following. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for always supporting this channel. After a satisfying cleaning session, I decided to head to the salon and do my nails, both get a manicure and a pedicure. So I ended up at this lovely spot that is right around the corner from my place. So the thing about such places, you have to make an appointment beforehand. Very few of them actually allow walk-ins, but they did an amazing job. I'll let you see it for yourself.
Ask if what? Wait, yeah.
I should have.
One of the reasons I enjoyed my sessions so much was the fact that the chair I'm currently sitting on as I'm getting all this work done was a massage chair. Yes, that is exactly right. It was a massage chair, and it was rubbing and squeezing my back the whole time, and it felt so nice. I felt like I was relaxing. My back was being worked on, even as both my feet and my hands were being worked on. So I really enjoyed that part of the experience. So after the satisfaction of getting my nails done, I decided to refresh my flowers. When I was leaving the house, my flowers are dead, dead. So I decided to get a fresh bunch. Now, this is Sunday afternoon. After going to church in the morning, we decided to head to downtown. There was some Caribbean festival that had been going on, but I was too tired, or I just didn't feel like going early. Or could it have something to do with being an African timer? So we ended up going to the Caribbean festival right in the afternoon. And goes without saying, as you can see from here, most of it was right about done. So we ended up seeing the aftermath of what the festival really was like. Probably the next time I'll go much earlier so that I can have the full experience. But I'll bring you guys along so that you can see what I did get to experience during the short time that I did go there. So come on, guys, come have a glimpse of the Caribbean festival in Toronto, Ontario.
Good jazz. Canada? can get your breath. You got to sing the art. Get your teacher to sound. Doesn't matter what you've been through. I still be thinking of James Brown. Take you to the bridge. You get to bringing in. The world is gonna come around. When you get stuck in out of town, I will be thinking of James Brown. Say the more things change, the more stay the same. Maybe a different page, come on the same page. There's one thing that I found, and I still be thinking of James Brown. Thinking of James Brown. Still be thinking of James Brown. Still be thinking of James Brown, yeah. I still be thinking of James Brown. Go ahead, James. Come on, boys. Come on.
So, after a long but satisfying afternoon at the Caribbean Festival, headed back home and decided to get a calming bath because it had been such a long afternoon, and I was so happy to get back to the clean bath that I had just scrubbed the previous day. So let's relax, calm our bodies, because again, tomorrow is Monday, another week, another job, another week of working hard. So let's go ahead and relax while we still can.
You know, Papa's got a brand new day. And we know it's living in America. But you want, I got you. Yeah, be like a sex machine. Come on in here. Take it out. Get up off that thing. Get up off that thing right now. I still be thinking of James Brown. Yeah, still be thinking. Tower of Power. Good jazz. Woo. Here, Canada. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into all these changes, a lot of stuff came down. I'm down with all the issues. My sex around. Back when I started, it wasn't right to sound. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I still be thinking of James Brown. Said the more things change, they always stay the same. They may be a different age, cause I'm on the same page. There's one thing that I found, I still be thinking of James Brown. Can't adapt to the adjustment. I did some psychotherapy. I cut myself to some self-help. Being down with a little ESP. With all my worries and the chat. Well, then I've been from town to town. Doesn't matter what I've been through. I still be thinking of James Brown. The more things change, I said the more stay the same. Maybe a different age, but come on the same page. There's one thing that I found, I still be thinking of James Brown. You got your brain baby disco, you got your drum machine, you got your arm raising ecstasy, you got your rhythm. You got to sing the art. Get your teacher to sound. Doesn't matter what you've been through. I still be thinking of James Brown.
So I decided decided to pour myself a glass of wine to add to the calm and relaxation, or to just make the mood better. I was already feeling relaxed of now. Anyway, that did not dim my light. I still ended up enjoying my bath. I still ended up enjoying my glass of wine and having the relaxing evening I had in mind.
When you can sell it out of town, I will be kicking on James Brown. Said more things straight.
What better way is there to end this lovely weekend and this lovely day than snuggling up in bed with a nice movie or series, whichever works for you, as we wait for the following working day. Thank you so much for watching Pick on a Dime with Sha. Thank you for being here. Nothing but love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.